Welcome to this tutorial on tips for GoHenry Child Account. GoHenry is a popular prepaid debit card designed for kids, aiming to teach them financial literacy and responsibility. To get the most out of this account, follow these steps. First, understand the basics of GoHenry. It is a prepaid card that can be loaded with money by parents, allowing children to make purchases and learn about budgeting. The account is managed through a mobile app, where parents can set limits, track spending, and receive notifications. Next, set clear goals and expectations with your child. Discuss the importance of saving, spending, and earning money. GoHenry allows parents to set tasks and chores for their children to complete, teaching them the value of hard work and responsibility. To manage the account effectively, parents should regularly review and adjust the weekly or monthly allowance. This helps children understand the concept of budgeting and prioritizing expenses. The GoHenry app also provides a feature to set aside a portion of the allowance for savings and giving, promoting a sense of generosity and long-term planning. Another key feature of GoHenry is the ability to set spending limits and restrictions. Parents can choose which stores or categories their child can spend money on, helping them make smart financial decisions. The app also provides real-time notifications, keeping parents informed of their child's spending habits. In addition to these features, GoHenry offers a range of educational resources and tools. The app includes interactive lessons and quizzes, teaching children about finance, budgeting, and money management. Parents can also use these resources to start conversations with their child about financial literacy. To get the most out of the GoHenry account, parents should encourage their child to take an active role in managing their money. This includes monitoring their account balance, tracking their spending, and making smart financial decisions. By doing so, children will develop essential life skills, including budgeting, saving, and responsible spending. Finally, parents should regularly review and discuss their child's progress, providing guidance and support when needed. This helps reinforce the lessons learned through the GoHenry account, ensuring that children develop healthy financial habits that will benefit them in the long run. By following these tips and best practices, parents can help their children get the most out of their GoHenry account, setting them up for a lifetime of financial responsibility and success.